Hello, I'm Stevara Clinton. And I am from Richmond, Virginia. I teach chemistry at Armstrong High School. And my unit is titled The Power of Extracts. And I had the pleasure of working with Gary this summer for the chemistry of cooking. And that's the next slide. So some of the main goals of my unit that I want to get across to my children are connecting the sciences. So a lot of my students are coming from biology to chemistry, and so I want to be able to connect the biology to the chemistry. I also want them to understand some of the scientific techniques and lab techniques, making measurements, recording data. Also, one of the big concepts that I want them to really grasp is bonding types. So knowing the difference between covalent and ionic bonds. And the last thing, just reinforcing some of the concepts, the chemistry concepts and things that they already know. Let me go back real quick. So some of the teaching strategies that I really included, one of the big teaching strategies is a I do, we do, they do type of model. And so the I do, I'm doing most of the direct instruction. We do, I'm giving a lot of guided instruction. So they're working on something, I'm walking around, I'm helping them. And then the you do, or they do, there is more of an independent work. I really want to see is minimum help from me. I really want to see what they know. And then some of the activities that I incorporated into my unit were a card sort, a domino activity. So these pictures here kind of give a better representation of the domino activity that I'm talking about because it's hard to explain. So what it is I cut out these little cards, and on one end of the card is a question, on one end is an answer, but the question and answer don't go together. So what they have to do is they pick any card they choose, they can start anywhere, and the question, they read the question, they have to find the other card that matches it with the right answer. And so all of them can connect, and they can connect it any type of way. Ultimately, it kind of makes a circle, but as long as they know that the last one on the end is the question on the end matches the answer on the first card. And that's how it kind of connects. So I call it a domino activity. They're also going to be doing a debate, making salsa, because it's one of the things that I could find that kind of incorporated all the tastes. You have the sour, you have the sweet, you have the salty. They're going to make an extract. So my unit, I guess my seminar really focused in on flavors and how we experience flavors and how the chemistry of the things that we cook. So I want them to make an extract and see that you can pull those flavors out of the herbs, out of the fruits and things. And then with those extracts, I plan to do, they're going to make body scrubs with like salt or sugar. And that's it. Thank you.